Okay, so you should have this filled out. I just want to go over it. So number one, you've got blood coming from the upper body into the right atrium. Goes from the right atrium to the right ventricle, where it goes to the lungs. So number one, it comes in atrium, ventricle to lungs. Number three, it comes from the lungs into the left ventricle. Okay, you should have this all filled out. I just want to go over it with you real quick. So number one is blood coming in from the upper body. Number two is going to the lungs. Number three is coming from the lungs. Number four is going to the upper body. Five goes to the lungs, and six is from the lungs. Seven is going to the lower body, and eight is coming up from the lower body. So the right atrium is blood from the body and is pumped into the right ventricle. The right ventricle goes to the lungs. The left atrium is blood from the lungs. And then the left ventricle that's the powerhouse that goes to the rest of the body. So the atrium, again, are smaller, maybe a little less power. The ventricles have a little more force. The right ventricle just has to go to the lungs, so it's not near like the left ventricle that has to go all the way to your toes and fingertips and through the kidneys. So just go over this a couple more times, and this will be on the test.